Welcome to Scrape Genius, how to use WhatsApp Group Scraper. First, complete the initial steps. Enter group category. Enter city name. Now click Add button. After clicking, you can check out your added query in query list. Now click Start. After process complete, you can see extracted group details in below table list. You can simply join the group by clicking Join Now link. Now let's extract the phone numbers from the WhatsApp group. To do this, simply enter your WhatsApp group name which you want to extract. Search group name and copy it. Move back to the tool, paste the copied URL in displayed input field. Then click Add, then Start. After process completed, you will see group members' phone numbers in the below table. You can easily download the results or export to the Google Drive. Thank you for watching.